With the support of taxpayers' vote to continue building great facilities for Tyler ISD, the new Early College High School located next to the existing Career and Technology Center is well underway with construction. The City of Tyler approved Early College High School building permit on August 4th of 2022. The parking lot was scheduled first because it serves as the main laydown area for subcontractor parking and material storage. The first pour for the parking lot and job site was completed at the beginning of October, followed by mobilization of geopiers. While weather conditions during the month of November 2022 have brought some difficulty, construction has progressed forward. ECHS foundation was poured for the tornado shelter slab mid-November of 2022, and walls started going up December 2nd. From the start of the new year to end of February, SCI concentrated on continuing footing and foundation pours for the kitchen area, and recently finished pouring the last part of the foundation located on the southwest side of the building. The crane was mobilized to the site for installers to start erecting structural steel February 27th of 2023. Outside the construction of Early College High School, a practice turf field is planned for use of physical education class usage. In the future, you can expect to see the CMU block in the kitchen and ICF to be completed in April, as well as the structural steel to be completed by May of 2023. With the proposed schedule and adjustments made due to permit approval and weather conditions, the project is still scheduled to finish on time and is within budget. This concludes the report for Early College High School. Thank you again to our taxpayers for your ongoing support of the approved 2022 bond package projects for Tyler ISD.